Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Chrome and clicking the profile avatar in the top right corner. This exposes profile options. You need to be signed into the specific profile you intend to change, so confirm the email shown. Once done, close any additional Chrome windows linked to that profile to prevent sync conflicts. Make sure the browser is up to date. An outdated version can hide settings. Now choose Manage Profile, or the settings gear to move directly into profile controls and picture options. You'll see a change or edit option for the profile picture. Click it to open choices. If a remove button appears, select it to delete the current avatar immediately. Otherwise, pick a generic avatar to replace it. Since Chrome often pulls images from your Google account, go into Sync and Google Services and open your Google account picture settings to clear or change the image there. Once done, wait a few moments for Chrome to refresh the avatar across windows and devices. You finish by restarting Chrome so the profile picture change propagates. If the old image still appears, sign out of the profile and sign back in. This forces a sync update. Make sure to clear the browser cache or temporarily disable sync to remove cached avatars. If that fails, go to your Google account photo settings online and remove the image there, then repeat restart and sign in. One key troubleshooting tip: disable extensions that alter UI. Then test again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.